One of the biggest time-saving features in jQuery is the ability to chain methods. What this means is that you can apply multiple methods to the same selected elements using dot notation. In this file, the append method adds this paragraph dynamically to the body. Just look at it like this. You see the paragraph has been added dynamically. In the style sheet, I've got a class called reverse, which turns the background color to black and the text color to white. What I'm going to do is to add another method called addClass. Now, instead of selecting the body again, because it's already selected, what jQuery allows me to do is to chain the new method at the end. If I put my insertion point just before the semicolon, and I'm going to put in a new line and then go, so I'm lined up with the previous period. This is purely and simply to make the code easier to read. You don't need to put in those spaces, but it does help if you keep your code nice and neat. And I type a period, and Dreamweaver brings up all the jQuery methods, so I can chain it to the end of the previous method. And what I want is add class, and it says class name. It gives me the hint for class name. The class name needs to go in quotes. And as soon as I start typing, it recognizes that I've got a reverse class in my attached style sheet, so I can just double click that and enter it and close the parentheses, save the page and activate live view. And it has now not only added that paragraph dynamically, it's changed the CSS, applied the reverse class. I now have black background and white text. The ability to chain methods like this is not only time-saving, it is extremely powerful, and you can chain as many methods as you like, applying these all to the same element. In this case, there's only one element that's been selected, the body, but you can use any CSS selector, so you can select multiple elements and apply the same methods by chaining them to them.